How to create forms in Asana. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can add or create a form in Asana. So let's get into it. So when you open up Asana and go into your projects, what you want to do is you want to just simply come over here at the top right corner and click on customize. When you click on customize, you will see you have the form option right here. Then you can just simply click on form, and right here you can create a form. So you can add a form, or you can create a task template. You have bundles as well, but for now we'll just simply click on form and click on this one. Over here you have the name and the description of the form. You have the name, email address, and you can drag these questions over here. So over here you can see you have single line text, paragraph, numbers, single select, multi select, date, attachments, and email. You can even add headings as well. Then you have settings over here. So let's say we want to add a single line text. We just simply drag and drop it right here. We can now change it to whatever we want. New question. You can drag other questions as well. So we can add like a multi-select over here, add a multi-select questions, and then you can add whatever you want. So over here, you can add the options as well. Very simple. And once you've done that, just simply click on the done option and you are good to go. So then you can just simply go ahead and send this form to your team members or myself and whatever you want. You can just simply copy it and you are good to go. So very simple. This is how you do it. This is how you create a form in Asana. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.